in honor of Father's Day, and you know I'm a father of 4-year-old twins, I'm going to give you a super special discount on six of my best-selling courses, each one only $20. So that doesn't matter if you want the beginning bootcamp course, Master Ukulele 1, Master Ukulele 2, the music reading course, the baritone course, or the Guitarlele course, or maybe you want all of them. Each one is only going to be $20. Plus, when you get any of them, I'm going to give you a super special discount on the jazz course as well. So whether you're going to buy this for your father or just treat yourself during this special time, all you got to do is click any of the modules below or the images below. It's going to take you automatically. That discount is going to automatically be applied to your order. That's right, $20 for any of those 6 courses that I have. Get one, get them all. Get the super special bonus on the jazz course as well. And whether you're a father or not, just happy Father's Day to you. And I look forward to seeing you inside the courses.